Hello, and we are back in Shape and Space 4. In this tutorial we will be talking about angles in a semicircle. So, in this figure right here on the right side of the screen, you have a circle cut in half by a blue diameter. This diameter is, as we've said before, a segment inside the circle passing through the center. And this yellow segment right here, as we've known before, is a radius. Now I'm going to form a whole triangle, and I'm going to name these two base angles x and y. And what we need to do is to find the third angle of this triangle. Well, to start off with the left part joining with the green segment, we have to find the final angle, which is half of the third angle of the triangle. So, we know that the radii of the same circle are equal. So, this means that the base angles are also equal, which makes the top angle x. Now, for the other part of the triangle, we also have two radii, which means that also the base angles are equal. So, the top angle is y. So, looking at the bigger picture, the whole triangle, we have the base angles x and y, and the top angle is x plus y, as we have just calculated, dividing this triangle into two. So, what's left off is to find the exact measurement of this angle that is found within the semicircle, x plus y. And how do we do so? I'm going to show you how to find x plus y step by step. First, we have x plus y, the base angles, plus x plus y, the angle that we have just found. The whole have a total of 180 degrees. So we have 2x plus 2y equal to 180. Let's factorize 2 into x plus y equal to 180. Now we can divide the equal by 2 to isolate x plus y. So x plus y is equal to 90 degrees. So basically, guys, the angle that is found within the semicircle facing the diameter is equal to 90 degrees, since the diameter is a side of this triangle.